In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to edit the location of your Google Business profile. Be sure to stick around though till the end because there's a few things you need to know to make sure your profile doesn't get suspended and what to do if it doesn't work. So first thing, just search your business name. You might need to put your business name and city state to get this editing tool to come up. Make sure you're logged in with the Gmail account associated with your Google Business profile. Then you just click here on Edit Profile, and then you move over here to Location. And then click on this little pencil next to business location, click on show business address to customers, and this is where you type in your address, and then you can adjust over here if necessary too. Now, once you've done that, you need to make sure that your business address meets Google's guidelines. And if you have any unwanted stuff in your business address, it might lead to a profile suspension. So if you try to do any keyword stuffing or use the wrong address or anything like that, if you don't actually have one, that could be a problem. Now, here's another note. If it hasn't been approved within 3 days, you'll need to reach out to Google Business Profile Support. So subscribe to my channel so that you can come back and find that video if you have the issue. Now, if you do have that issue, they're going to ask you for proof of your business address and the reason for your change, and you may even be asked to re-verify your Google Business profile. So that's it. Now, for more great tips, we talk a lot about growing your business on my channel, so I'd love if you subscribe and like this video so other business owners can find this content. Thanks so much. We'll catch you in the next video.